Well, we all knew that second wave of COVID-19 have shown how we are health conscious during this ongoing pandemic. Due to the lack of carelessness, we have lost the upcoming future of India. Now, the alarm rings again. This month, the third wave may show his dangerous side, which we have never seen yet. In the second wave of COVID 19, we learned that how COVID decreases the oxygen supply in the body. The patients who are suffering from COVID 19 do not keep the track of his or her oxygen level, which lead to the oxygen crisis in India. To prevent the upcoming wave, we must fully vaccinated first. Then we should take precautions as we take earlier. In this video, I will recommend a product which can track your oxygen saturation level in the real time in your body. So stay tuned.
Subscribe to my channel to see the latest unboxing videos. Do you mobile?
Here I received well sanitized package of Amazon. Let's quickly explore together. Alright, I received my product with proper condition. Now let's check anything else I got with this. No, we get nothing. Now let's check our product. Alright, the box condition looks good. Now let's go through details. On it, we see the certificate of Europe and brand and product name. On the other side, the key highlight like clinical accuracy, virtual alarm, and etc. etc. Handle with care. On the other side, product specifications like measurement range, resolution, accuracy. The most important is accuracy. You get two AAA battery in it. On the other side, other brand products. On the bottom, you will get the manufacturing details, MRP, and other details like serial number, certificated ISO number, and some details of the product. You can see the fully sealed we get the product. Now let's open it. Now it's time to check the box content what we get. On first we get carry bag with oximeter in it, one thread which will attach in the carry bag, and one user manual. Read it before you use it. Okay, so these are all the box content. Now let's check highlighted element of this video. On the top you get OLED screen. The body is fully plastic. One multi-purpose button. Inside, the infrared sensor and rare LED light with silicon pad to support your finger while reading. Okay, you can see here two sensors in it. At the back, two batteries are placed. To activate, simply pull the plastic strip. It will remove easily. Then replace the cover after that. Now let's turn on. Here we can see SpO2 and pulse rate meter. It will automatically off after few seconds if finger is not detected. Here you can see. At the bottom, it will also show the pulse rhythm check. To track reading, place any of your finger and it will show your reading in few seconds. Here you can see my SpO2 is 98 and PR means pulse rate is 125, which is absolutely normal. Okay. If you need any calibration, press the button for few seconds. You will enter to the settings. You can see here various options like aim, demo, beep, and in second profile you get SpO2 alarm in high and low, pulse rate in high and low. You can change this value by long pressing the button. Here you can see I am changing this beep option to on mode. Okay, now this is the demo profile. You can see here the beeping now is started. This is a demo version. You can turn it off this. Okay, this is a restore version, and this is a brightness version which is from 1 to 5 level, and in second profile the same procedure will be followed. Okay. That plus minus sign at the bottom is the navigation option, which means you can decrease or increase the value, and lastly the exit one. You can place any of your finger, but it is recommended to place your index finger for best results. Okay, here we can see some variation, but it's okay. Here is the demo profile. In this profile you can see the sensors are inactive, so before you taking actual reading, make sure to switch off the demo profile in the settings. Here you can see the sensor is active now. Now you can take actual reading like this. Okay, the beeping referred as the rhythm of heartbeat of yours. Here is the chart that recommends the oxygen level in your body, so keep tracking. I hope you got some knowledge about the product. So thanks for watching. You know what to do next. So bye. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video.